Fertility being a natural thing, some ladies find it very difficult conceiving after a very long time. If you are a lady trying to conceive for some time and it's not going, I pray God make it easier for you to conceive. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in on this episode of our health discussion. I'm your host, ASTHMA, the medical laboratory scientist and a reproductive health consultant at ASTHMA Diagnostic Center. If you're clicking on our video for the very first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on notification. Thank you so much. On today's discussion, we are going to look at how to boost fertility in females. How to boost fertility in females. So if you've been trying to conceive, then please stay put and let's discuss this together. If you're not trying to conceive, please also follow this so that you can explain to someone or you keep the information for further use. We are going through 10 points here. The very first point is you have to manage your weight. Second is you follow a healthy diet. Third is you do regular exercises. Number 4, you have to quit smoking. Number 5, you need to reduce alcohol intake. Number 6, you need to manage any chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension. Number 7, you need to avoid taking antibiotics without prescription. Number 8, you need to master your menstrual cycle. Number 9, you need to start taking folic acid. Number 10, you need to avoid abortion. So those are the 10 tips that we are going to explain. The very first one is manage your weight in a good way. So you need to manage your weight. You know, for you to know if your weight is good or bad, you need to measure your BMI, your basal metabolic index. If you measure your basal metabolic index, it is above 30, it means you're obese. If it is above 25, it means you're overweight. If it is below 18, it means you're underweight. And your BMI is actually your weight over the square of your height. So you need to take your weight, take the square of your height, divide your weight by that square. If the answer is within 18 right up to 25, it therefore means you're okay with that weight. The second point is you need to make sure that you have a healthy diet. A healthy diet, we are talking about what? We're talking about you having a balanced diet in which you have the 3 main classes of food as well as other vitamins. You need to take note that fruit and vegetables are the best when it comes to vitamins. So if you need vitamins, you need to consume a lot of fruits and vegetables. Number 3, you need to do regular exercises. Exercise is the way of building yourselves, activating yourselves, and removing waste matter from your body. So if you do regular exercises, obviously you are actually building yourselves and make it easier for you to conceive. The next is that you need to quit smoking. There is no safe limit for smoking. Do not say that, no, I take just one step. If you're a smoker and you're trying to conceive, please stop it. That is the best way, because it actually affects your ovaries and make sure that you don't have good quality egg for fertilization to occur. The next one is alcohol. You need to drop down the consumption of alcohol. If you consume a lot of alcohol, please drop it down if you want to conceive. The next is you need to manage any chronic disease that you have. Make sure that you manage it very well. So if you're diabetic, if you're hypertensive, or if you also have something like asthma, manage it very well such that you will actually have this under control. Number 7 is that don't take drugs, especially antibiotics, without running medical laboratory tests. Therefore, you need to consult, then you buy drugs. Do not just go to the hospital and you start getting drugs, or to your nearby store and you say, hey, give me this drug. This is dangerous because you might cause resistance that might have difficulty if you want to actually take another antibiotics tomorrow. The next, which is number 8, is that you need to master your menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is a household name we've been discussing here. If you have not mastered your menstrual cycle, please do well to master it. You can get it in the description as well as up here. The next, which is number 9, is that you need to start taking folic acid. Folic acid is actually very important. It is recommended that if you are already above puberty, it's good that you start taking folic acid. Not to talk of you who've been trying to conceive. So if you're trying to conceive, please start taking folic acid. This is going to help you a great deal. It's really going to improve your fertility. Number 10, which is the last one, is that you need to avoid abortion. I understand that in the course of living, you might conceive when you don't want it. Please, there are a lot of methods that you need to do such that you cannot conceive. So meet your specialist, meet your fertility specialist, meet your doctor. You talk on the various ways that you can do such that you cannot conceive, because if you continuously abort, it might have an impact in you if you want to start having children. So these are the 10 methods which, if you take, is gonna improve your fertility. If you have been trying to conceive, I wish you the very best. Please make sure that you try to see if you can follow some of these points. It's going to help you and improve your fertility. Let's run down. The first one is that you manage your weight very well. Have a healthy weight. The second is that you follow a healthy diet. Third is that you do regular exercises. Number 4 is that you quit smoking. Number 5 is that you reduce alcohol. Number 6 is that you manage any chronic disease you have such that it is under control. Number 7 is that you avoid taking drugs, especially antibiotics, without consultation and running a laboratory test. Number 8 is that you manage your you master your menstrual cycle very well so that you understand when you're fertile and when you are not fertile. Number 9 is that you need to start taking folic acid. This will help you greatly. And number 10, you need to avoid abortion. I hope these tips will help you have your own child. I wish you the very best. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We are Check Your Health and Maintain Your Wealth. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share this article as well to your friends and other family members. May God bless you. Do have a beautiful time.